Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you guys can't already tell by the title for this video, we are going to be doing my pre-vacation routine. Alright you guys, so let's get right into this pre-vacation routine. To New York City with my family, so I thought I'd show you guys like my pre-vacation routine, just how I get prepared to go on vacation and just how I stay healthy and how prepared to stay healthy for my vacation, because obviously when you go on vacation it's a lot of food. Alright you guys, so I kind of already started my vacation routine, which I didn't show you guys, but, which I couldn't. As you guys can see, I am a tomato, so the first thing that I did today after I finished work was I went to a workout class to Orange Theory, because I know that it was going to be my last workout class there until I came back from on vacation. The biggest thing for me is, especially right now, being healthy, working out, and trying to lose weight, is always getting in those workouts, even though I know, sorry, my arms getting really tired, even though I know that I won't be working out as much. So I want to get that workout in, and then what I did next was I ate a really healthy dinner. I had some vegetable soup, I had some salmon, I had some vegetables, because I want to feel good going on this vacation. You want to keep yourself motivated to still want to eat healthy and feel fit when you're away, so you don't lose that motivation and kind of just get tangled away into all those unhealthy foods. Next, I'm going to go shower, because I always want to feel clean. Obviously I worked out, so I want to feel clean before I go on vacation, so let's go do that. And just like that, we are clean. So obviously getting clean right before you go is key. So now, since my skin has been breaking out quite a bit, I will zoom in right here. It is actually really bad. Like, it's also probably inflamed because I popped some zits, which I usually never do because I'm really good about that, but today was just a bad day, and I've been breaking out a lot recently. I think it's either just because I'm sweating so much, my body's not used to that, or sweating with all toxins and stuff like that, but who cares. So what we're gonna do now is put a face mask on, and what I'm also gonna do is I'm going to put bio oil all over my body, because that's just how I like to moisturize my body. I want to make sure all my skin is fully moisturized before I go traveling. Also, the face mask I used is a Kiehl's Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. I've talked about this before in my favorites videos. I absolutely love this mask. It's just so deep cleansing. So now I'm going to let this dry in and put bio oil all over my body and put Vaseline on my lips, and then I'll catch up with you guys when I'm doing something later. Alright you guys, I just put pajamas on, I brushed through my hair and put some hair oil in it. Now I'm just sitting with my face mask on. I usually keep it on for like 15-20 minutes, but until it's like fully dry, and then I'll wait another minute or two before I take it off, like no rush or anything. But yeah, so next thing that I like to do when I'm preparing to pack is actually sit down and think of what outfits I need. So I know I'm going tomorrow night, so I'll need one night outfit, and then I'll need 4 day outfits for New York, and then like one other night outfit and like an extra shirt. We'll see about it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to write down a list of everything I need and like my ideas of what I'm gonna pack, make sure I have it. So I visualize my outfits, and then I'll lay them out and usually try them on, or if I've worn them before I'll just pack them. But I think that's like really helpful, instead of me spending like 5 million bajillion years trying to figure out what I want to pack. I just think about what I have, and then sometimes I look in my closet if I need to, but I kind of already know what outfits I want to pack, so I'm going to write those all down in a list, what I need to pack, and then we'll start packing. Alright, so I just wanted to kind of like let you guys know what I do. So pretty much for, it's a really weird angle on my face, woo! But pretty much what I do is I pretty much write out outfit 1, outfit number 2, outfit number 3, outfit number 4. and then what I'm gonna wear. So say my first outfit, I'm like orange pants, Urban Outfitters black bodysuit, Nike Air Force Ones. Oh, actually I'm gonna add to this like a jacket, but then I just literally think about everything that I need because I always end up forgetting until like the last minute when I'm packing. So I read out all my outfits, so if you guys can see here, I have like outfit number 1, outfit number 2, and then outfit number 3, and then I have like what I need, like underwear, socks, bras, sports bras, backpacks, stuff like that, to make sure like I pack all the backpacks I need, have all the camera equipment I need, shoes I need, and I usually try to limit it to like 2 shoes. So for me, I'm actually, wow, it's actually a lot for like 4 days, but I'm bringing my Vans, my Nike Air Force Ones, and then I might bring black booties depending if I feel like I want to dress up an outfit for nighttime, and then probably my running shoes because I want to work out at least twice when I'm there. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll get back to you guys when I'm either packing or doing something else to get ready for this trip. Alright, I brought up a suitcase, so we're gonna start packing and also watching Dynasty because I'm obsessed with that show on Netflix now. So what I'm gonna be doing, and I know I still have my face mask on, but I'm just gonna keep it on for now because I'm lazy to take it off, is I'm gonna lay out each outfit and make sure I like it because I don't want to try it on anymore because I put oil on. I didn't think that through. And then I'm gonna pack it into my small carry-on because I'm just taking carry-on with me because there's no point of bringing a huge suitcase, so let's do that. Another thing just before I start packing that I forgot to tell you guys is I just threw in another load of laundry because obviously I worked out tonight, so I want to clean all those workout clothes to make sure that I had them clean when I go away. So again, another thing I do prepare is just do any laundry that I need to be done the night before, because obviously I'm still going to work tomorrow before I go away, so everything has to be done tonight. Alright, you guys, so I finished packing, and then what else I did was I packed my makeup, my toiletries, and then I set aside an outfit that I'm going to wear on the plane tomorrow, which is going to be one of the outfits that I wear, so obviously I'm wearing it all throughout the night tomorrow. And I picked a pair of pants and my chunkiest shoes, which is a tip because you want to put your chunkiest shoes not in the suitcase, makes sense. And then I'm just wearing a pair of pants that I was going to wear no matter what. And then I'm bringing my jacket with me on the plane because I'm going to bring one for the night times, but instead of packing it, bring it on the plane because it gets cold. But yeah, other than that, I want to film a video of what I put in my carry-on backpack that I packed, what type of makeup that I bring. So look out for those because I definitely want to film those for you guys because I feel like I'm always curious what people bring because I never know exactly what to bring and then what looks. But yeah, so if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more videos from me, subscribe down below. And other than that, I'll see you guys later and have fun traveling because I definitely will be.